This time, we will make a super sophisticated tool. Used pipes end from the lid. Used bottles like this. And this tool must be in your homes, friends. Why didn't we always make this tool? Anyway, later, the results make the neighbors auto envy friends. Okay, just go ahead like do a tutorial. The making. Let's just look at it together. In this one video, guys, let's go hello creative buddy. See you again with me on this creative channel of ours. Okay, just go ahead for sure right here. You guys should prepare a used pipe like this, you guys, yeah. Well, here I use a small pipe size, yes. Like this, guys. Yeah, the pipes are pretty small. So if you guys have a big pipe, you can also to the size of about an inch. Next here, you guys prepare one used bottle cap like this, guys. Well, if you have prepared a bolts or nuts like this. Okay, steady, and if it's cracked. Next, that is, we will execute. Okay, first of all, here we take the pipe. Then we're gonna cut you on this part. For the cut, just a little, you guys. Yes, we give a sign, then just go straight marketong. Let's cut. Okay, creative dude. Well, if you have, the pipe part has been cut off, guys, yeah. Well, if this is the cut, yes. Just straight up pieces. Here we go in the hole. The pipe is like this, guys. We just put it in like, Mom, it's okay to dip it. Well, if the pipe is in, the result is like this, guys. Okay, study next step. That is, we give glue on the edges, so that from the pieces of pipe that we put in earlier, so as not to be toothpaste and ooter. Okay, here we prepare a glue G like this, yeah. We just drop it into the pipe. Like this. Okay, steady, guys. Well, if it's like this, next step we just wait the glue to dry. If it's dry, just here we give a snack topple. As small as in the middle. Like this. Then we're gonna snap it using a solder. Again like this. Well, for the hole, small, you don't have to be too big. Okay, steady, if it's like this hole is made. The next step, which is that we're gonna test drive by inserting the bolts we made earlier, yeah. Or nut, what is this anyway, that's? Well, we put it in like this. Then we go straight burr, using a screwdriver like this. Okay, this is just right, yeah, size. Well, if it's right, guys, just go ahead. This bolt, you guys take it out again, guys. Okay, steady, well, if it's right. The next step, which is we're installing the cap part. Like this, guys. Okay, we'll put it in like this, guys, yeah. Okay, before that, here you guys have to make a belonging again, guys, yeah. Well, so here we will give a hole in the middle of the cap. Like this. Let's give a sign first. Just go ahead, mark along. Let's hollow. Okay, creative dude. Well, if already the hole has been made, you guys can see, yeah. So the size, that was that. This one is bigger than the one before. The guys. Okay, we just have to clean it up like this. And the bottle cap is hollow Moblong. Moblong like this, friends. Okay, we put it right. So here you guys can see. Let's try to give you a flashlight. You guys can see the outer hole umbu, or width in which the hole is small or shrunken. Like this, guys. Yeah, okay, if it's just right once. The result is like this, guys. Okay, next one is we just go ahead. We're gonna glue the cap off, guys. Well, that's the result. Glue can be strong and definitely anti-fast. End of the pipe. Here we give scratches like this, so that the glue can be stronger and the results are steady. Okay, the lipstick has been scratched. Like this, yeah, guys, yeah. So later when we put some glue on, the result can be stronger. 5 or 10 times more, friends. If it's already directly, we put it like this. And we immediately give glue on the edges like this, guys. Okay, steady, guys. Well, if it's like this, we just wait the glue to dry. Well, like this, yeah. So here we just have to wait. And automatic, the glue already. It's very, very dry. The result will be like this, guys. Well, so the glue has dried. Will be shaped like this, yeah. So this is very loud and strong
Definitely.
and steady, friends. Okay, the next step you guys take. The bolt was yes. We just jump right into the hole like this. Nah! So the bolt or the nut will be embedded by the pipe, which had a little hole in it just now. We just enter, like this. If you can see, the result will be like this, guys. Nah! So from these bolts, you guys can tune it using screwdriver like this, yeah. Can later be endorsed by rotating to the left, like this. Or in a way, tighten up by twisting screwdriver to the right like this, guys. Well, so like this is pretty normal, guys. Yeah, okay, guys, if it's like this. Okay, next, here you prepare a log. Or also you guys can prepare also like Q-Tech Allen like this. Then here we are landing the end pieces, guys, yeah. Well, if it's taper, just straight up from the trunk we'll stick it into the ground. Like this. By cursing the curse. Using a whistle. Like this. Okay, steady if you have. Let's just check this out and it's strong enough. We prepare a hose. There is a flow of water, my friends. Yes, you can use the hoses. Like this. Directly if we have entered the tool we made earlier into its hose like this, guys. Well, if it's like this, so as not to hurry up. Throttle and Uter, guys. Here we will love isolation like this because it's more practical and can be accelerated, yes, friends. Yes, if using glue one time directly cut. The guys, using insulation like this, the result is neater and very, very steady. Okay, steady, guys. Well, if we have just installed our tools earlier on the trunk that we've plugged into the ground, like this, guys. Well, for the way it's installed, we use duct tape insulation earlier, like this. Well, if you have, these tools we made have become friends. Just test the markage. Let's try it. Okay, creative dude. Well, we just tried to turn on the water tap, and you guys can see for yourself. Oh my gosh, guys. Auto instantly gush. Spraying like this is the tool we made earlier. So the flow of water that comes out of the hose becomes spread. Like it's raining, guys. Well, so this tool we can apply in our plants, for example, in the vegetable garden, yes, or for watering the grass like this. Or it can be installed or put in the garden. Become more steady. And of course, we don't have to bother in watering plants. And good again this way. Water can spread to the maximum. Like it's raining, guys, see. Wow, so water can save more. And into some little drips like. Do like this. Well, let's try to shrink it first like this, yeah. So here we can tune. For output, the water or the spread of the water by twisting lever from the bolt like this. Okay, steady as hell, isn't it? You guys are required to build this tool and install. At home, y'all guys, yeah. Okay, hopefully useful video this time. If you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button below and hit his subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell notifications so that you all do not miss the videos, latest updates from our creative channel. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Good luck at home, friends.